What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
What's up, guys? Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 now playing games. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'll be very, very beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this video. Now, before I get into the method, I just want to say, please look for the code word that's going to pop up in this video. It might pop up right now, and it might pop up at the end of the video. So you need to watch the full video to catch the code word, because when you get that code word and type it down in the comments below, that's going to help you get a chance to win the free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. So go ahead and look for that code word. Type it down in the comments below. And please follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up to at least 500. I'm at 290. So if you can just follow me at AppGrind, and on any of my posts, just type hashtag AppGrindTV. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be some steps you're going to have to take, and I don't want you to miss out. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Swagbucks. So yes, I have talked about Swagbucks several times before in the past, but I've never talked about this actual way to make money playing games from this website. So this website, Swagbucks, if you never heard of before, it's your first time watching this video about Swagbucks. It's an app and also a website that has a lot of things you can do on there to make money. I've talked about ways you can make money by watching videos, ways you make money by doing tasks, but this time I'm going to talk about how you can make money playing games. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account and show you what you're going to have to do to make this money playing game. So let me go ahead and log in right about now. Okay, guys, I'm in my account right now. As you can see, there's a lot going on in here. So when you first sign up and go into your account, what we're going to do is go over here to the side menu, and we're going to click on play. So it's going to take you to this page, and as you can see, as I scroll down, there are a lot of games you can play, and you're going to earn Swagbucks, and you can turn those Swagbucks into money. As you can see right here, swap it, you earn 4 Swagbucks per dollar. So you earn 4 Swagbucks, and that's worth $1. And there's a lot of them worth $1 right here. But I'm going to scroll down and show you where you can get a lot more Swagbucks. It's going to be worth way more than $1. So let me scroll down here. So now here's one right here. So games for your phone. This one right here earned 1,500 Swagbucks. So it doesn't say how much you're going to earn, but it's going to be definitely more than $1. So you download that and play it, you're going to earn 1,500 Swagbucks. Here's one 750. Here's one 5,000 Swagbucks. No telling how much you're going to make from that. And let me show you the one that has the highest amount of Swagbucks that you can earn. So let me go to that right now. Okay, here it is right here. Play Billionaire Casino slots. So this is the one with the most. So 5,500 Swagbucks you can earn. And as you can see on here, they just tell you a few things. Once you go ahead and start earning, you just follow these guidelines right here. It's not really that serious, but you want to just read this right quick. A lot of them have different little guidelines they want you to follow. And then you just click right here and you earn your Swagbucks after you download the game and play it. So that's how that works, guys. It's very, very simple, and you're going to have fun doing this. Now, if you just don't want to play games all the time and make Swagbucks, like I said, they have several other things you can do. Over here in the menu area, let me go over, click over there and show you. So you can shop. If you like shopping, you can shop and earn. So 2% cash back at Best Buy, Sam's Club, eBay, Amazon, you can do that. So yes, guys, so it's a lot of things over here that you can do if you just don't want to play games to earn money. So guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to talk about today. Just want to make a quick video about making money playing games. So go ahead and go to swagbucks.com, sign up, start playing games, and make this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thanks again for tuning in. Before I go, I want to give a shout out. And I want to give a shout out to the Gamehead 252. And this is what he did. This is what he typed in the comments. He watched one of my videos all the way through. You see, he typed dividends. That was one of the code words in one of my videos. So I want to give him a shout out for watching my whole video and following instructions. Thanks again. If you got a YouTube channel and you got some content on there, go check them out, guys. Go check them out. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. And one more thing before I go. I have a podcast show. Go check it out. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. Go check that out. Support a brother. I'm on there. I talk about increasing your finance and personal development. And I also have a channel with the same name called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. On there, I post videos about making money online, all different type of ways, and how to increase your finance. And also, I will be posting my podcast on that channel too. So I post my podcast on there also too, so you can check out my podcast on that channel. That's Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. All right, guys, thanks again. Road to 5,000. Let's get there this month. Let's do it. This channel is for you guys. So as I'm growing, you guys are growing with me. So let's go. And make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace. Have a blessed day.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind